Hello students, today's topic is Phong shading or normal vector interpolation shading. Phong shading also have three steps to solve the problem. So first step is determine the average unit normal vector at each polygon vertex as in my last topic go round shading. Same. Second step is linearly interpolate the vertex normals over the surface of polygon. Third step are there, apply the illumination model along each scan to determine projected points intensities of surface point. So let's take an example one polygon and how we can solve this problem. So here one polygon are there, 1 2 3 4 5 faces are there, this polygon, and vertex V are there. This V vertex, how many faces are considered with that? Two faces are considered, and two faces have their own normal vector n1 and n2. Now according to first point, you have to take average unit vector normal vector. So nv is equal to n1 plus n2 divided by mod of n1 plus n2, or in the general formula summation of I is equal to 1 to n ni divided by mod of summation of I is equal to 1 to n ni, where small n is equal to number of surface sharing vertex. I hope you already understand about how these are things coming, because I already told you in my last video. Now second point, linearly interpolation of the vertex normal over surface of polygon. How you can do linearly interpolate? Same thing as we do in the ground shading, we have to do here also same. You can see here one polygon is here where three vertex are there, 1 2 3. Every vertex have their own coordinate system and own normal vector. So for one, coordinates are x1 y1 and normal vector is n1. For two vertex, coordinates are x2 y2 and normal vector are n2. And for third vertex, coordinates are x3 y3 and normal vector are n3. Okay, here three scale lines are there, y1 y and y2. Okay, so according for this, in edge 1 2 there are one point which have coordinates x comma y and which have normal vector n. You have to find out that value. Okay, so here how in the step 2 you have to come n is equal to y minus y2 divided by y1 minus y2 n1 plus y1 minus y divided by y1 minus y2 n2. This formula is using for solving that spotlight. I forgot to tell you about the Phong shading. Why we are using Phong shading? Because of shining surface. When we are using shining surface, any point, any light source, light is coming on the shining surface, that time you can see in the shining surface there is one point where light intensity will be so much high. So you can see there is one white spot is coming. That white spot we have to find out the value of intensity. So for that intensity we have to use Phong shading. In the Phong shading, that point, that white spot point, we are using this formula n. Okay, so that time what is the intensity value of n, like this we can find out. Okay, so what are the advantages are there? Use in hidden and visible surface or polygon filling, more realistic image highlight, no match band, which the problem is coming on the ground shading, that problem is removed, accurate result is coming. Okay, but one disadvantage also there, this will take too much time because of calculation are too much complex. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of the Phong shading. I hope you all understand about the Phong shading or normal vector interpolation shading. Thank you.